Welcome back, my beautiful people. Welcome back, our beautiful people. Welcome back to Valoreek and Family Channel. Welcome back to Valoreek Kitchen again today. If it is the first time coming across our channel, coming across our video, please subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that next time you will not miss any of our video. Hit the notification bell, share. In today's video, I am going to prepare or to cook cassava gravy. When I say cassava gravy, I mean the African way, the Liberian way. I'm from Liberia, West Africa, so I'm going to cook today cassava gravy the Liberian way. So stay tuned with me, stay along with me in this kitchen. Make sure watch the video to the end so that you will not miss any part of this video. I bought three pieces of cassava. This is what I'm going to prepare today, the Liberian way cassava gravy. So stay tuned along with me, stay with me today in the kitchen, cook along with me. The material I'm going to use for the cassava gravy, this is dry fish in here. Just give it dry fish. It's fucking poi fish. And this is the snapper fish that I am going to cook. These are the seasoning I'm going to use. I'm going to cook this gravy with extra virgin olive oil. This is what I'm going to cook the gravy with. These are the pots that I am using to cook. This is the name of the other pot that I always use to cook. This one is the smallest one I'm using today because I'm not cooking plenty soup. So I'm going to boil the cassava in this pot, and this is the other pot. I'm going to cook the gravy in this other pot. These are the pots that I normally use to do my cooking. The reason why I'm showing the pots because one of my subscribers wanted to know the kind of pots that I use to cook. First, I'm going to peel the cassava. When you do it, you have to be careful for your finger. This is what will be good. When the cassava is like this, it means it's very good. finally done. This is the cassava gravy. The cassava is under the stew. This is the cassava gravy. I'm done. I'm finally done.